Hey y'all, it's me. I'm back with another video. As you can see, I cut my hair. I made a whole video showing the process of what I did, but sadly, all of the footage got deleted, so the evidence was destroyed. Now we just have this. Today's video is actually an iPad video that I'm making about this matte screen protector cover. And I'm also going to talk a little bit about these silicone nibs for your Apple Pencil, which are like little protectors, little condoms for them. So yeah, with that, let's get started. So basically, this is what it is. I found a website that only has that. When I bought mine, I bought it off of Amazon. There's a lot. I have an affiliate link for it. I'm not sure if it still works. If it does, I'll put it in the description below. But anyway, it's all basically the same thing. If we look at this site, it talks about what it is and what it does, what you use it for. I'm going to show you guys on my iPad. All right, so here I opened up my drawing app, and I'm going to just do some strokes with no nib and just the protector, right? So what it's supposed to do is create more friction between the pencil and the iPad to make you have more precise lines, and you can slow down your drawing. It's not slippery. So it makes very nice lines, and it picks up on everything. One thing that is negative about it, when you draw too much or too hard, the tip of your Apple Pencil starts to wear down. Of course, you can buy these for pretty cheap. You just screw it off like this, and it comes off, and it's replaceable. But if you want to do that a little bit less often, you buy the nibs. I'm going to show you what those do. Here are the nibs. They come in a little pack like this. They're even cheaper than buying the other pencils. And now this plus the screen protector has like super precise like drawing power and stuff. Anyway, here it is with it on, and now it's even slower. I have like full control of my lines. Oops. That's because I was doing it too hard. And it also protects your Apple tips from wearing down so fast. So yeah, I'm so glad I got to show you guys this. I 100% 10 out of 10 recommend buying the screen protector, but mostly both. I love using both. And yeah, stay tuned guys for more of my digital art, more of my other things that I have coming out as well. I'll keep you guys updated on those. Thanks guys for watching. Later.